Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the application list and open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. If this didn't help you, next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with the phone. I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet or another device. And after restart, if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to firstly locate touch area, located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, and you need to press and hold 6 times at your right earbud. And then you will see the red LED light. If you not see them, meaning that you need to repeat this process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we have? Nothing. Oh yeah, we have. Excellent. Then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. Also, we need to put these earbuds to the charging case, and then remove them from the case. And now your earbuds enter to pairing mode. And you know it by the LED light, what blinking red and blue. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!